Gumbo, what are you doing up on the mattress? Gumbers! Gumbers! What you doing? What are you doing? Gumbo? Gumbo! Gumbo! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my Jesus. I'm taking so many snapshots. He's sweeping! You're sweeping? Wow, great job. Gumbo, okay, you need to get down. This instant. Gumbo. I can't reach it. What are you doing? I'm zooming in on your face. Why do you have a mallet in your hand?
You make secret stuff with this, so I'm digging.
There's something wrong with you. The gross pull. There's something wrong with this dog. There's something wrong with Marie. This is Marie. Kitten. Oh my god, I accidentally keep on zooming. Kitten. Where are you going? I see you. Hi. Don't smack me. Marie, I can't see you what my camera can. Okay. This is Mama. This is Swayze. That's my crazy sister, and there's my dog with have two. Hooray! We're all happy. And now I gotta zoom in because they run away if I get too close. These are our ducks. The white one is Tyrone. The other one is Shaniqua. The turkey is Thanksgiving. And if I could zoom in more, there are two chicks in there. Their name is Monkey with an E and Tokyo Drifter. That's kind of outside for ya. Sometimes there's some animals in this tree. That's kind of a reinforced tree house. Pretty much. Okay, yep, this is done.